Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, as you can see by the title above, it's going to be the giveaway video for this Valentine's Day banner that I created. I have a few videos showing you guys the process of me creating this banner, and I did say that I was going to give it away at the end. So I have stuffed some goodies inside each little pocket for the winner. I'm not going to be showing it because I do want it to be a surprise for the winner when she receives it or when he receives it. And yeah, so everything is stuffed inside, plus I'm gonna package it and add some extra goodies inside the little packaging. So if you guys are interested in winning this Valentine's Day banner, whether it's for yourself or for a pen pal, definitely leave me a comment down below saying enter me. Please only enter once so that it doesn't get super confusing, and the only rules are basically must be a subscriber and must be following me on Instagram, and that's it, you guys. So yeah, if you're interested, definitely leave that comment down below. The giveaway ends February 1st. On February 2nd, I will announce the winner and ship out the prize. So that's it for this super short video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for a bunch of Valentine's Day embellishment idea videos, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye guys.